Let's see if my driving's good enough today. But you can snipe them, and that's why I don't want to waste a special on it. Evade. But, I mean, granted, good days and bad days, you might run into them. So, let's try this out. That's one sniped. That's two sniped. I don't want to go through the whole target, so I'll just, the FM's still messed up for me, so I can't get any of the lower prizes, so I'll just go around and pick off all the destroyers. That's three sniped. I'll have to come down from the top and do these two over here. Retreat and then re-enter. But I saw the potential of them being able to snipe them, and if you can snipe them, then there's no use in having a evade special, especially whenever all the other components of the target is splash. So, granted, driving isn't always 100%, and that's always the case. You're never going to be that perfect. This is another one. This is another one. Well, I'm getting hit by mortars. Little piece of shit. Because my Zelos wasn't in guarding it that much. And there's that one sniped. That's all of them sniped. So, possible to snipe them? Yes. Takes careful driving? Yes. Will it, you snipe them every time because of lag and other problems with the game? No. But the fact of it is, you can snipe them. There's always going to be problems with lag and stuff like that. So, I highly suggest don't adding any evade on it because you don't need it. Those Mastodons only evade damage type, or damage type that is accuracy based in this target, other than the executioners, which you can counter, and then they turn into splash based. So um, that's I kind of gutted this one, but that's okay. I don't need points. So until next time, pirates.